subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new smartphone in Thailand called Realme 10T with 5G support, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the Realme 9i 5G smartphone that was launched in India back in August last year. Now let's see the specifications of the Realme 10T 5G smartphone. The Realme 10T 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.4% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme 10T 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses 150MP main camera with a f1.8 aperture alongside the 2MP macro and 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with Realme UI 3.0 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 10T 5G has been priced in Thailand for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 6,999 Thai baht, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 8,999 Thai baht. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in electric black and dash blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 10T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.